In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1102 printer driver in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have opened it, please proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P1102 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be able to see a list of results. So eventually you'd be able to see a first one which is under support at hp.com and official website for HP printer. Click on this link. And the moment you click on it, wait until you'd be navigated to a new page where you can see this printer driver. So here it will detect your operating system. However, if you in your case it's not detected, click on choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11. Once you've selected it, click on update here. Okay, so once done, you need to scroll down here and then you need to locate for driver product installation software. And there you can see this software and driver. Click on this download option aligning to it. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. So please wait until it would be downloaded successfully. Okay. And once you have downloaded it, you need to proceed here at the top right corner. You can click on this download icon and there you can see this folder icon. Click on it and then it will show you the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on this cut icon. Once done, close the windows being opened and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and then go with the WinRAR tool, used it to extract this one. So go with extract to and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So please wait until it will be done. So once extracted successfully, this is the time that we will now start. So before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more relevant tutorials like this, okay? So we would be gladly to appreciate that. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring this up. So by that, please navigate here at the left pane and locate for this option, which is called Bluetooth and devices. So once you click on the Bluetooth and devices, you need to navigate here at the printers and scanners. Click on it, and there you can see an option which is highlighted in the blue one called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can add a printer driver manually. Once it's here, click on add manually and in a few moments you would be able to bring up a new window where you can manually select your printer driver. Once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three, but if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So once you have selected the proper printer port, click on the next here and go with have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to click on that. Scroll down here and proceed to your extracted file, double tap and then scroll down again and there you can see the printer driver. So select any of these three functions similarly. So click on OK and then open and then you need to navigate for the locating for HP LaserJet Professional P1102. Click on next. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP LaserJet P1102 for easy identification. So the moment you click on next, it will eventually start the installation. So please wait until this process would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully download and install HP LaserJet P1102 printer driver in Windows 11. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.